Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In today's Tagalog quick lesson, we will talk about the two meanings of the Tagalog word araw. In Tagalog, the word araw has two meanings. First, araw means day, and second, araw means sun. Same spelling, same pronunciation, the meaning depends entirely on context. Now let's look at araw as day. Magandang araw, good day. Isang araw, pumunta kami sa parke. One day, we went to the park. Araw-araw akong nag-aaral ng Tagalog. I study Tagalog every day. Notice how araw-araw means every day. Now, let's look at araw as sun. Mainit ang araw ngayon. The sun is hot today. Sumisikat ang araw sa silangan. The sun rises in the east. Ay, ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Wow, the sunrise is beautiful. So here's an easy trick. If araw is talking about time, it means day. If it's talking about the light or the weather, it means sun. So that's the word araw. One word, two meanings, and used in every single day in Filipino conversations. I hope this quick lesson helps you differentiate the two meanings of araw clearly. And that's it for today. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Mahal ko po kayo. Paalam.